Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to get new lock screen wallpaper automatically. For this, go to settings, tap on wallpaper and style. Tap on change wallpaper. If you scroll down here, you can see the option wallpaper services, and from here you want to select the option dynamic lock screen. First of all, we need to enable dynamic lock screen. To enable the dynamic lock screen, we need to select at least one categories. So here you can see some categories like landscape, plants, life, animals, art, food, desert, like that. So first of all, you need to select at least one category to enable the dynamic lock screen wallpaper. I am going to select the option life, then art, then food. Okay, so here I selected 3 categories. Up to 5 categories we can select at a time. You can see new images every 2 weeks. So for this we need to connect the internet regularly. It will automatically update. This feature automatically refresh your lock screen with the new images. So simply in this way we can get the new lock screen wallpaper automatically on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.